sunlight spills through the window. Warm melody starts to grow. Coffee's brewing, the aroma's sweet. Butter melts on my warm toast treat. Jazz notes dancing in the air, morning magic everywhere. Good morning, sunshine, rise and shine. Swing with me over exit time, laughing through the cream and jam. Life tastes sweeter when we jam. Toast pops up with a golden glow. Maple syrup starts to gently flow. Feeling cheerful, my heart's in tune. Jazz and breakfast before noon.
Sunlight sneaks in through the blinds. Coffee steam swirls in lazy lines. Toasty toast with butter glow. Morning jazz puts on a show. Good morning, bright and breezy day. Swing along with a blueberry latte. Toast is golden, eggs sunny side. Breakfast jazz, my heart's open wide. Butter dripping on a warm croissant. Mango jam tastes like a sunny font. Whistle tunes with every bite. Rhythms dancing in the morning light. Swing along with a blueberry latte. Toast is golden, eggs sunny side. Breakfast jazz, my heart's open wide.